Hey gang, Jason here for the love of trackers. So I've been doing some organizing. So I got a tool chest box thingy, and you can see on top are all the projects that were on my old workbench. That's right. Look at all those. I don't even know where they fit, to be honest with you. Anyway, as you guys probably know, I am the least organized person in the entire world. I know it's a problem. I try my best. I just, for whatever reason, was born without that gene. Anyway, I'm trying. So here is what I'm trying right now. So I got a tool chest here. Nothing fancy. It's a Husky thing. It's got the plug-in on the side, which is super cool, because I can just run cords to power tools or whatever. So what I've decided, what I'm trying. So I've got to plow through this up here. I've just got to get them done. Just got to plow through them, finish them up. And I'll be honest, I don't really feel like I can start organizing until that's done. Or I've started organizing, but I don't feel like I can really get into it until all those projects are done. So, got to plow through those after Summer Show, probably after Evansville, possibly after Timewell. Anyway, I've used these little plastic containers for a long time to organize projects, but I'm terrible at it. Again, I don't have that gene in my body. These are tires that are going to get used for projects up here, as are these. They're up there. Most of them are painted already. There are some that are not. Actually, that one is already. This is not. And it's going to come down to whether this ends up getting chromed for like a chrome outer band, or if I do, like if it goes on a John Deere, it goes down to John Deere. But the others, all the insides, are already painted and ready to go. I've got tires here. Actually had them laying up in here because of that. This actually needs to get organized. And these are some super singles and some semi tires. And then I dug this box out. I don't think I'll use those for anything. They're my old fertilizer buggy tires. And now that Mini Toy Truck and Tractor came out with their new implement tires, which I don't know, I probably don't have any right here. I'm gonna use those on those buggies instead because they look nice. They're rubber, etc., etc. So this is obviously a John Deere 8970 project, and then you can see these are just going with me to the show. So I just left them there to remember to bag them up tomorrow because I'm kind of gonna try to go through this. This is to finish up some Steiger Tigers. Those are the interiors of those. Got to still do some steering wheel and things like that. These are for some of the pullers that are up here. They're not going to get done for the show, just the way it is. It's just been a situation for the last 6 months, as a lot of you guys know. So hoping to have those done. Just need to put some wheels and tires on those there. We'll be ready to go with me to the show. Literally have tonight to build, so while I'm doing this video, I really should be building. And then hope to finish this guy up. Just needs wheels and tires. And then those are all of my decals, and I've kind of got those there so they're safe and kind of a place I can kind of rummage and find them. So, moving on, here's kind of all my crimpies and my cutties and all that sort of thing. I hope that, that works out well. Here's kind of another drawer of those. Tire remover, sort of a tire remover. Just, things like that. A little more room for some tool space if I need it. Here are kind of bits and bobs and fittings and all that sort of stuff. So hopefully that works out well. And then this is kind of the paint drawer. A lot of Testors paint, a lot of the hobby type paints. This is just a can of black gloss. Rather than buy like a whole bunch of these, go through these to paint my little black details, it was just cheaper just to buy one of those. It's just as good. I don't know why I didn't think of that 10 years ago. This is empty. This is going to be kind of a staging area. Store's a little bit of a mess, but markers, tape, wires, chain, like the Kynar, kind of all that stuff that is sort of like tie downs or strap downs, and then of course the markers, things like that. That's kind of what's going to be that drawer. This is kind of my need to get it done real quick, possibly tonight drawer. These plows need wheels. Got some buggies to put together. This disc needs wheels. And all of those New Hollands need wheels. I don't think I'll have them done. And then here's heat gun, Dremels, drill, etc., etc. So that's what I'm trying with the workbench right now. We'll see how that goes. Like I said, it's going to be a work in progress, and I don't know. I'm going to be honest. I'm just, again, it's not my strong suit. But anyway, guys, have yourselves an awesome day, and I hope to see you at the summer show. Happy tractor hunting!